Hello friends and welcome back to my video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can play a car racing game. Here you can see this is a car racing game, and I'm you can just complete so many laps of the game. Okay, here the car can be moving in the circular motion in the track. Okay, and now let's see how we can play this game. Okay, I'll be showing you in this tutorial. Okay, so now let's move on to our coding. Okay, I'm going to take a new project and show you guys how you will be able to create this car racing game. Okay, so first in the backdrops, let's draw a backdrop. Okay, let's give a fill color to fill the complete background. Okay, so now let's take this rectangle and just completely fill it with the color. Okay, I'm going to choose this color, and now let's take a circle and completely draw it with an outline. Okay, it should not be completely filled but a partially filled circle. Okay, now let's make the outline to be black and it to be blue. Okay, now let's copy it and paste it. The same thing. Okay, the copying is for this one that's happening. Let's copy the along with the outline itself. Okay, now copy it, paste it. Now let's reduce its size so that we are creating a complete racetrack. Okay, so that the car can be completely moving through the racetrack. Okay, so now I think this is okay. Got it? So now let's fill it with the black color. Okay, so now our racetrack is ready. Let's draw a circle with yellow, yellow in the middle. Okay, let's fill it with white color or no fill you can give. Okay, now let's draw through the middle of the racetrack. Okay, so this is the all the setup that we can do for the racetrack. Okay, now let's reduce the size of the drawing. Okay, so now I hope you are also able to draw this racetrack along with me. Okay, now let's choose a sprite car. Okay, I'm going to choose a convertible car that is available here. You can choose any car of your choice. Okay, now let's draw a lap final sprite as well. Okay, let's just draw it. Take paint, just zoom it in, draw a rectangle with the white color. Okay, let's draw it. But we have a okay, no need of an outline. Let's first try to make this also visible with an outline. Okay, so after coloring it, we can just color this also. Okay, now let's draw, fill it with white, black color with the alternative. Okay, so let's take it to be something like this. Two of the small squares you can see, you have to fill it with black color and the rest you can leave it as white. Okay, I hope you are able to do this along with me. Okay, we are creating a lab final thing, a sprite. Okay, so now this is over. Let's select this one and fill it with white color. And now you have got it. Let's rotate it together, and then we can rotate it. Let's pull it and keep it here in this position. Okay, again let's rotate it. Okay, so that it, okay, again expand it to and fro. Okay, so now that it's here, now let's go to the coding section. Okay, so here we are going to make this car move in such a way that it should be moving to the lab, and each lab should be recorded with a score. Okay, so first of all I'm going to create a variable called lab. Okay, so now I have written lab, and let's give okay. So now you can see that a lab variable is also created. Okay, now let's give like when flag is clicked, set size to 30%. Okay, and let's see how much is the size. Okay, so this is okay for us to play the game. Let's keep it here, and now go to the mode, take go to and place it over here. Okay, now we are just trying to control the car using the 4 arrow keys in the keyboard. Okay, let's go to control forever. If now go to sensing, take key, left arrow pressed. Okay, what should be happening? Should be turning to the left side. So let's take this one which is turning to the left side and just change it to 5 degrees. Okay, again go to the if, take key, right arrow pressed, turn to the right side. Okay, now by clicking the up arrow, the down arrow. If key, up arrow is pressed, move 4 steps, and like while you click on the left arrow or down arrow, it should be moving to -4 steps, right? Okay, so now what you can see is that your car after pressing the is moving all the way, right? It's moving and you can just be able to do. Okay, so now you know that you are able to make it move along the track. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, let's set if it touches the green color, you are out of the game. Okay, so let's go to control, take if then if, you have to take touching the color, go take this color, take color picker and choose this green color. Okay, and let's go to text to speech and give speak game over. Okay, now go to control and take stop. So now let's see.
Game over.
You can see that after touching
Game over.
the green color, it shows that the game
Game
is
over.
already over. Okay. Okay, let's see now.
Game over.
Okay, it's not in the correct position. Let's keep it to be minus 20 minus 128. Okay, and now
Game over.
rotate it. So once I am rotating it,
Game over.
because we have
Game
not
over.
set it in the correct position. Okay, let's set it here
Game
minus
over.
27 minus 27 minus
Game over.
28. 118. Okay, now let's see. Let's rotate it. Okay, and keep it in this position, which is 1 and minus 115. Okay, now let's try to move it. Okay,
Game over.
okay. Now come back to the initial position. Okay, now let's set the score here. In the variables, set the lap to be 0, and once when it is touching the sprite one, then the lap should be changing, right? So let's go and take touching the sprite one, change the lap one by one, and let's give wait for 10 seconds. Because some people in the lab they itself will keep it for some time, right? So that your lab should not be changing. Okay, so for that we are trying to do this.
Game over.
Okay, so now I'm not that good at playing the games. That's the reason why I am not able to fix it. Okay, so while you are playing you can try that. Now once when I kept it, it has been touching the sprite one. That is the reason why it showed me lap one. Okay, so always be careful with such things. Okay, so if you like this video, please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a feedback on this video in my comment box. Okay, see you in the next video with some other new game. Bye.